Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the Z Flip 4 and opening it to a comfortable flat angle. This reduces stress on the hinge. You then place the phone on a clean, steady surface and position bright light to reveal edges. Use a soft pry tool at a corner of the protector and lift slowly. You want to separate adhesive without bending the glass. Once you have a small lift, slide an adhesive tab under and hold the phone down to maintain position while you continue peeling. Once the old protector is off, you must clean the display thoroughly so the new protector adheres perfectly. Use isopropyl 70% or higher on a microfiber cloth and wipe in straight passes. Avoid circular scrubbing that spreads oils. Inspect under light and remove any specks with compressed air or a sticky lint roller. Then dry fit the new protector to confirm alignment points, camera, sensor cutouts, and hinge clearance, so when you remove the backing, you can apply it in one controlled motion. You now peel the protector backing and align the top edge to the display, making sure cutouts match. Gently lower it while pressing from the center outward to push air out. Use a soft card wrapped in microfiber to smooth remaining bubbles. If a tiny bubble persists near an edge, lift that area slightly and blow out any dust before receding. If adhesion seems weak, make sure the screen was fully degreased, and consider a brief low-heat blast from a hair dryer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.